Yang berbahagia Datuk Seri Panglima Akril Sani bin Haji Abdullah Sani, Inspector General of Police of Malaysia. He was born in Talingjaya, Selangor on October 3, 1961 and is a Malaysian police officer. He assumed the post of the 13th Inspector General of Police of Malaysia on the 4th of May 2021. Prior to the appointment, he was the Deputy Inspector General of Police of Malaysia since 14th of August 2020. He previously held the position of Director of the Department of the Internal Security and Public Order, KDNKA Bukit Aman. He was a graduate of University Technology Malaysia UTM with a bachelor's degree in civil engineering. Then he pursued his studies at the master's degree level and successfully obtained a Master's of Science Management from University Utara Malaysia. On the 2nd of February 1986, he officially joined the Royal Malaysian Police PDRM as an Assistant Superintendent of Police ASP Cadet. Throughout his career, he has held the positions of Director of the Bukit Aman Department of Internal Security and Public Order KDNKA, Sarawak Police Commissioner, Director of the Commercial Crime Investigation Department, and Director of the Strategic Resources and Technology Department. He was appointed as the Deputy Inspector General of Police on 14th of August 2020 to replace his incumbent, Datuk Mazlan Mansur, who retired on the same day. The appointment was approved by His Majesty Sri Paduka Baginda Yang di-Pertuan Agong, Sultan Abdullah Riayatuddin Al-Mustafa Billah Shah, Ibni Almarhum Sultan Haji Ahmad Shah Al-Musta'in Billah, with the advice of the Prime Minister of Malaysia, the Honourable Tan Sri Datuk Haji Muhyiddin Yassin. Yang berbahagia Datuk Seri Panglima Akril Sani received the letter of appointment as the Inspector General of Police on the 30th of April 2021 to replace his incumbent, Tan Sri Datuk Sri Abdul Hamid Bahadur, whose service contract ended on 3rd of May 2021. He officially accepted the post on 4th of May 2021.